Hey, if you want to plug textures in Blender and keep a pixelated art style, you do it like this. You move to the shading tab, you see the shader graph editor down here below. You click on the model you want to apply materials to, and if there's no material applied, then the shader graph will be empty. So you need to create a new one. If there's already a material applied, then there will already be nodes here. You create one by clicking the new button up here. To load a texture, you need an image texture node. If you hit node, add, and then texture, and then image to do image texture, or you can click Shift and A, and then go texture, image texture. This will give you an image texture node where you can open and plug in the image you want. So we go pictures, donuts. And then you drag the output color to the base color of the shader. And you should already see it, but by default, the interpolation, the pixel interpolation, the sampling does smooth the texture. This is what you want in most cases, but not if you want a pixelated art style. So you want to switch the texture sampling. And that's the first drop down in the image texture node. It's set to linear, and what you want is closest, so no filtering is done at all, and that will keep the pixelated art style intact. So I hope this helped you. Take care.